tonight I'm going to do clamshells, and I'm using the clamshell template from the starter set. Okay, so what this is it's a 3-inch clamshell. I'm going to line my template up. I'm going to just make some adjustments here, guys. There we go. Okay, so we're going to come back here to our block. And I'm going to start nice and slow, hold back my threads, first stitch in place. I think I want to take my shoe off. There we go. And here we go. Okay, get that thread out of the way. And here's our second one. Okay, so now I've gone ahead, I've come too far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my template down. This is where it needs to be, right here. And I want you to clearly see this. So I've got the highest point of my clamshell coming into the ditch, the vertical line. I've got my horizontal stitch line just skimming the previous clam, and I need to come down just a little bit here. So we're not going to need to stitch up quite as far on this row as we did on the last one. So here we go. I still need to stitch up.